Today's recipe is Chapli Kebabs with perfectly spiced beef mince, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside and full of flavor. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or barbecue nights. Follow this recipe for juicy, flavorful kebabs. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Beef mince 1 kilogram. 250 grams finely chopped onion, well squeezed. To remove excess water. 250 grams tomatoes, cut into small pieces. 5 tablespoons of crushed coriander. Salt to taste. Chili powder to taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 5 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. 2 tablespoons of crushed green chili. 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, garlic paste. 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds. 1 cinnamon stick. 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. 2 green cardamoms. 2 black cardamoms. Grind all the spices into a fine powder, then mix them into the beef. Add all ingredients into the mince and mix well with your hands. When the spices are fully mixed into the mince, add gram flour and mix well at this stage. You may also add bread slices and eggs for binding. It's up to you. Refrigerate the mixture for 3 to 4 hours after mixing well. After 4 hours, shape the mixture into kebabs and press a tomato slice in the middle. Cook them on low flame, shallow frying until nicely browned. Delicious kebabs are ready. Serve hot with naan. Thanks for watching.